I look like like a little anime girl or something. Lord, it's in my eyes now. Okay, so here is the wig after I did the watercolor, and here I made the wig, and it just has the band in here and the 2 combs in the back. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like right now. I did not pluck the hairline or anything. All I did was bleach the knots. So this is what the hairline came like already. And if you guys hear the fan, I'm sorry, but it's gonna get hot in here and I don't have the time. So we're gonna be listening to the fan, period. This is a 13x6 frontal, so it goes back pretty far. But I am going to cut this into a bang wig, and then let me see, this is where it goes down on me, but I am going to cut it probably to like right around here. So I'm going to cut it on me, but like go in later on the wig cap, on the wig head, and just like make sure it's perfect. I'm going to get into the bang. So hold on, wait. I'm going to get my hot comb and get this ready so that I can like flat iron the bang part and like figure out exactly how I want to do this. Okay, so I think I'm going to do the bang like right around here. Yeah, I think this much bang will be cool, like the thickness. I'm just going to do the hot comb, like all the excess, just to get it out the way. Alright, so I'm going to start in the middle here, and I'm going to use this bigger side, and I'm just going to cut. I'm going to cut pretty long first, and then we'll go back. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, I can barely see. Let's just get some hot comb action here, flatten this out a little bit so I can like really see what's going on. We're going to like, bump the ends at some point, so let's see. Yeah, this is like still too long. So I'm just gonna take this part and just make it just a little bit shorter, just so that I can like at least see. I look like a little anime girl or something. Lord, it's in my eyes now. And now I'm just kind of like fringing the sides down. I know it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna fix this. I haven't done a bang on my hair since like high school. I think my very first ever bang I did was in like middle school, and it was terrible. Like it was like OD short. But I'm a whole hairstylist these days. I'm a lot better, hopefully. So we're not gonna look that crazy. We're not gonna look middle school crazy. Now I'm going to use a flat iron and basically make this look like something. Yeah, because I know it does look kind of crazy right now, but trust the process. Trust the process. See, we're getting somewhere. And we're still not done yet. I'm just trying to, it's really hard to do this when you like cannot see. So like this side is good, but this side is a little bit longer. So I'm just trying to like match these up. Okay, so this is what the bang is looking like so far. I'll go back and fix it a little bit later on. I'm just gonna go on to like cutting the actual hair now. So I'm gonna see exactly where I want to cut it. I think I want to do like right around here, or maybe I think like collarbone length. Like this would be cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and make that first cut. And like I said, I'm going to go back on the wig head and cut it even later on. So let's make sure these are the same. It's so hard because I swear I cannot see in the mirrors that I have right here, and I'm trying to like stay in focus, and it's a lot. Yeah, so this is where we're at with the length. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna actually just do this. So I just did like a rough draft because it's like really rough. We are going to go put it on the wig head, cut it for real, and then come back. Okay, so here is the cut after I did it on the wig head because it was definitely needed. So now I'm just going to go in and cut this lace because it's in the way, and I really want to see what the wig is looking like, you know, without the lace. Okay, so now I'm just going in and just fixing up any little thing that I see, like just going in and sprucing up, fixing my bang, just like getting it to my liking 100% completely. Okay guys, so this is the finished look here. These are my bangs. I don't know how I feel about it. I haven't had bangs in years, like since high school. So this is what we have here. It is like a shoulder length bang cut. So let me know what you guys think down below. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you liked the video, if it was helpful for you guys. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I've been like stuck in the 500s for seems like forever. I've been doing this for like 4 years, and I would love to see my channel grow. So I really need you guys to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you can be alerted when I upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And then I'm just also showing you guys what it looks like when I put on a face, because you know sometimes some hair needs a face. So yeah, thanks.